KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
This is KD-MAX8x8, an 8x8 audio matrix from KeyDigital with full DSP features. You have 8 analog, balanced or unbalanced audio inputs and outputs, in addition to 8 digital audio inputs and outputs that support multi-channel audio formats up to 5.1 and 6.1 surround. Each of the outputs has audio DSP features, variable level volume control, muting control, 3-band EQ, and even lip sync delay can be compensated up to 150 seconds. So it's really nice for integrating, ensuring that the video on your monitors is in sync with the audio through the speakers. You do have a whole variety of analog to digital and digital to audio, digital to analog audio conversions that could take place inside of the MAX as well as TCP/IP control, RS-232 control, and of course IR and push button control that make this product very easy to integrate through any third-party control system. With our Compass control system, or because it is IP controllable, it'll be app ready as well to be controlled through the KD app from the iOS store, where you'll have a pre-built GUI for integrating in commercial control systems with our commercial applications that perhaps don't have the budget for a professional control system. That's always an option with KeyDigital as well. So this is KD-MAX8x8 from KeyDigital.